How to turn on new followers notifications on REDnote app. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to turn on new followers notifications on REDnote app. So now let's dive in. First of all, launch the REDnote app on your mobile device. Now tap the profile icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on Settings icon to access your account settings. Again, tap on Notification Settings. Here, you can manage your engagement notifications, chat notifications, content notifications, store notifications, and in-app notifications. Now select everything according to your preferences. To turn on new followers notifications on REDnote app, just toggle the switch on for new followers in engagement notifications section. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.